When you first get your calculator, it's going to come like this. You get a small roll, very small roll, whereas the normal ones that you will be buying will be much bigger. So our first task is to read the instructions, take this out, and it says, remove tape on ink ribbon reels before operating. So we need to open up this lid. So we'll remove this tape, but there's tape inside that they're really talking about. So we're going to look at the back of this and notice this lip. You're going to pull up on it. And there we can see the two ribbons and the tape that is preventing them from spinning. So we're going to remove that tape. And then the lid back on. So we want the paper coming from the bottom, like this. And then, with one hand, we're going to put the paper, also called the tape, back in this slot. We're going to push it down. Glitter in. I need to show you how to turn it on. So right here we have the on-off switch. So we're going to move it to the first P. And then to advance the paper, I'm going to push on this button that kind of looks like paper being torn off with an arrow, meaning it's the paper advance button. You can also think of it, it kind of looks like Bart Simpson's head if you're a fan of The Simpsons. Anyway, I'm going to push that button at the same time that I'm pushing down on this paper. And then eventually the paper comes out on top and we're ready to rock and roll. Now when you're typing and adding numbers, if you can't see the numbers that are on the bottom, you need to advance the tape again using this button. And then once the paper is advanced, you can tear it off and check it out and recycle it, or keep it for reference if you need to. And that's how we get our calculator ready to rock and roll.